Hey guys, I'm your CDA. This is a custom Shield era Seth Rollins that I'm updating into 2025 version of the visionary himself, Seth freaking Rollins. Shall we? First, I'll remove the shield vest using a cutter for a quick and easy takeoff. I'm also getting rid of the blonde hair, never liked it and not gonna, and less is more. Next, I'll take off the wrist tab and the left glove too, and nod to his 2020 Messiah look. Then I'll give him his original hand/fist. Next, I'll peel off the old sellotape layer, which looks pretty expired now. I added it earlier to protect the figure from dark marks during bumps, especially on the arms and the face. Peeling it off is always satisfying, and the figure feels fresher already. Now, I'm removing the old wrist tab, which reveals the original 2018 SR logo since the figure's from that era. Now that the attire is cleared now, let's take off the custom face mask, but I'm gonna turn him more serious this time. To reveal his real face. He is still smiling even after the chaos he brings to WWE, but for that you'll need to sacrifice your hair. It's for the greater good, trust me. I'll trim some bulky parts to make the face thinner. And warning, if you're a kid, be careful. I'm using a cutter and I've cut my fingers in the past. Seth's looking good, but I've got a feeling I can improve it. First, I'll cover the face with paper towel, shaping it to match the structure. Then I'll layer it with brown tape for the skin tone, shaping that too. Now for the fun part, sketching the face with pencils and markers. It may take time if you do manually. If you want it to get easier, go for a custom head sculpt or print and stick a face on. Finding the right reference pic was tough, but I got a good enough idea.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give to you the reigning, defending, undisputed WWE Heavyweight Champion of the world, Seth freaking Rollins!
I hope it turns out better than expected. It's not perfect, but it definitely needs an upgrade. Once the details are marked, I'll protect the face with clear sellotape. Just know over time the design might fade or blend in, and you may need to redo it. Realistic enough, right? For the hair, I'll be using a black sticker. You can fold and stick in all sides. I'm skipping the back hair on purpose. It actually looks beautiful as it is. You can trim the edges with scissors for more texture. Finally, I'll add a new wrist tape using insulation tab. And for the last touch, I'll use a gold/yellow pen and a black marker on the hair. Let it dry and seal it with the sellotape if you want to. And there we have it, the 2025 version of the visionary, revolutionary, the leader of the vision, Seth freaking Rollins, with his World Heavyweight Championship of course. And also the making of this custom belt is also in our channel. Now let's do a quick before and after. Just look how far we've come. It's not perfect, but for me, it's a huge upgrade. You can even compare it to 2021 version. which I posted on Instagram, though you might have to scroll a bit.
And if you want to see more exclusive videos, you can become a member of the channel with just 29 Indian rupees.
I don't know, something's missing. Alright, Mr. Oracle himself, Paul Heyman. I made that recently too, and the video is still up if you missed it. And you don't forget his custom Money in the Bank briefcase, also on the channel. Every custom I've ever made is in the custom DIY playlist. Check it out, it's mostly free. And you may find some exclusive videos which you can access if you become a member. And until next time, thank you for spending your valuable time for my channel. Peace.